start in a couple of minutes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. So in our previous class, we have covered till the endoplasmic reticulum, correct?
No, sir, till mitochondria we did. We were in Golgi apparatus.
Mitochondria as well.
Mitochondria.
Sir, we were doing Golgi apparatus.
Yes, sir.
Mitochondria we have completed, and next we are to start the Golgi apparatus. Okay. So the page number 16. Okay, in the table, organelle number 6, that is the Golgi apparatus. In animal cells, this organelle is called Golgi apparatus. The same organelle in the plants is called dictyosomes. Okay. It is the same organelle, but it looks a bit different. Okay, a little bit functionally also it shows a little bit of difference. Okay, the Golgi apparatus in the animal cell is and in the plant cells it is called the dictyosomes. So they appear like a stack of flattened membrane sacs. Okay, so how they are appearing when we look at this diagram, they are looking like there is a stack of some membranes one above the other. Okay, and it consists of the tubules, that is called cisternae, vesicles and vacuoles. So let us see. Here in the diagram, this is the purple color is the nucleus. After the nucleus, what is this blue color? This membrane, this structure.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Endoplasmic reticulum. And after endoplasmic reticulum, what you are seeing, this structure here, the light blue color, without all those ribosomes on them, this is the Golgi apparatus. Okay, so this Golgi apparatus is continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so how it is looking like? It is looking like it is stacked. The membranes are stacked on one another. Okay, and they consist of this tube-like structures. Okay, Individually they are looking like some tubes, no? Some tubes are there.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, we
Yeah.
cannot see your screen.
Sorry? Oh, we cannot. I have put screen sharing. Why this thing happened like this? Now the screen is sharing, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't know why that screen sharing went off. Okay.
So
So
someone else was sharing the screen. That is why it was stopped.
please don't do that. Huh? Don't share your screen. So here the Golgi apparatus. In the Golgi apparatus, we have the different structures. How they are looking? Like these are stacked on one another, and there are these tube-like structures. Okay, tubules. These tubules are known as cisternae. Okay, these tubules are known as cisternae. Don't confuse it with cristae. What is cristae? Cristae in the mitochondria we have studied. Cristae, cristae. Okay, so mitochondria. This is the mitochondria. Okay,
Yes, sir.
switch off your microphone. So this is a mitochondria. Inside the mitochondria, this membrane projections are there. No, this is called the cristae. This is cristae, whereas this tube-like structures are known as the please switch off your microphone. Someone is it's not good, no? It's disturbing.
Just some outsider has come.
Sorry?
Some outsider has come.
Someone is disturbing the class. That's not good. In between, don't switch on your microphone unnecessarily. It will disturb the class, no? Okay, so here in the animal cell, there are the cristae are there in the mitochondria, whereas in the case of the Golgi, what we have these tube-like structures. These are known as the cisternae.
Cisternae.
Okay, and this is a small, this is spherical, like this ball type of vesicles will be formed from this Golgi. Okay, these are known as vesicles. Vesicles. So, what is the difference between this Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum? Both are looking like similar only. Okay, this is also look the endoplasmic reticulum also look like to all membrane, and this Golgi apparatus is also like that, only full of membranes. So, from the endoplasmic reticulum, these proteins, they will go to the different parts of the cell. Okay, we have seen that one. It is called the supportive framework. Okay, see in that one, chief functions of the endoplasmic reticulum, supportive framework of the cell, synthesis and transport of the proteins and fats. Okay, that is endoplasmic reticulum. It is sending these proteins and fats to the different parts of the cell. But what the Golgi apparatus is doing, it is sending the enzymes or the proteins outside the cell. Okay, so that is what we say secretion. So the synthesis and the secretion of the enzymes, hormones, etc. are done in the Golgi apparatus. Okay, and they are secreted outside. Also, in the case of the sperm cell, when it is fusing with the egg cell, so on the egg cell there is a membrane on the top. That membrane need to be dissolved, then only the sperm cell can enter inside. So the dissolving function is being done by the these vesicles that are coming from the Golgi apparatus. Okay, so what are the functions here? Golgi apparatus main important function is the secretion. Okay, now for example, question: insulin. Insulin is a hormone, correct? It is a protein. Is the insulin required by the pancreas or it is required by the body?
By the body.
It is required by the body, not for the regulating the glucose level. So pancreas cells, they are making insulin, but that insulin is not required by the pancreas. It is required to outside. It has to be secreted outside. Okay. So such proteins which require to be secreted outside the cell, they will go through which one? Which organelle? They will go through Golgi apparatus. Okay. They will.
Sir, your screen is not shared.
Why
If
again?
someone
It is shared, sir.
The
No,
screen
sir.
is still visible to
Still
others.
visible.
Click to
Sir, I
cancel.
can see it.
Your screen is still visible to others. Click to cancel your presentation.
Sir, I can still see your screen.
Resume your presentation.
So someone is also sharing the screen.
If someone is
Hey,
constantly
see.
disturbing the
Yes,
Okay.
sir, now it is shared.
Okay.
But
You see,
still, I was able to
you
see.
see, I
sir.
want to warn if anyone is trying to act too smart. Okay, I have the recording of all these things and I have a second screen. Okay, so anyone who is trying to be too smart, you will be caught. Don't be very smart here in my class. Okay, don't disturb the class.
Yes, sir. See his name appears. He left the meeting.
Yes, sir, that guy only.
So that was some different, strange kind of name, or it is with the roll number and everything.
It's a strange name.
Ah, okay,
name.
okay,
Strange name.
okay. Let us see. Let us see if that reappears. So you just note it down, and I will take care
The
of it.
name Jethala.
Okay, okay. This kind of stupid kind of things, they kill the time. Okay. So what is happening is now my screen is shared, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
here,
Yes, sir.
whenever the protein need to be secreted outside the cell. For example, insulin need to be secreted outside the cell. Then that protein will pass through the Golgi apparatus. Okay, it will pass through this Golgi apparatus. If that protein need to go to the different parts of the cell, for example, that protein that is
Sir,
made
again
here,
your screen stopped sharing.
Again,
Take idea.
Sir, that same guy is coming again and sharing the screen. But sir, I can still see your screen.
Yes, sir, I can also see your screen, but he is also
No,
sharing.
sir.
but that name is disappearing every time. It is coming and
Sir,
disappearing.
as soon as he starts sharing, he leaves the meeting.
Sir, he is joining and leaving.
when she
Yes, sir.
joined, she shared screen and after that she left the meeting.
Sir is just trying to disturb the class.
Okay, I will take care of this in the next class. I will take care. And if I get my hands on that fellow, I am going to break his neck. Okay, wasting everyone's time is not anything of anyone's business. So here the Golgi apparatus. This Golgi apparatus, what function it is doing? Whatever the proteins will be secreted outside, they will go through the Golgi apparatus. From the endoplasmic reticulum, whatever proteins need to go to the different parts of the cell, okay, inside the cell, they will go through the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. The next organelle.
Sir,
Yes.
in the endoplasmic reticulum, so at some places where smoothness are there, then you said that at that place fat are present there. Then same thing is happening in Golgi apparatus also. Then does it mean that Golgi apparatus send fat also? Transfer fat?
You see, in Golgi apparatus, there are different functions are going on. That much detail we don't have. But you see that, for example, if any protein has to go outside, so on the top of that, some kind of carbohydrates are being attached. Okay, that is a signal that it has to go outside. These kind of reactions are taking place in the Golgi apparatus. Okay, the next one is the lysosomes. We have covered the Golgi apparatus. Next is the ribosomes. Ribosomes. So ribosomes is ribo means it sounds something like a robot. Okay, it is doing some kind of robotic activity. So here these ribosomes are going to make or manufacture protein. Okay, so whatever the protein is there, okay, the protein, new proteins need to be made inside the body, in the cell. Okay, even though we are consuming the milk and say protein in the form of dal, pulses and all these things, but the same thing is not flowing in our body. That protein is broken down and new proteins are made inside the cell. So who is making these new proteins?
Ribosomes.
Ribosomes. So these ribosomes are like machines. Okay, they will appear something like this. They have some kind. Okay, very strange looking, a little bit. And then there is the RNA. We don't have to go much into detail. Okay, just like DNA, there is the RNA. This RNA will have the message. Okay, the message from the DNA that is there in the nucleus. Okay, because all the DNA, complete DNA, so much information is there, no? But here I want to make insulin, for example, the cell want to make insulin. So only the gene of the insulin, small area, only that much area will be converted into this RNA. Okay, and this ribosome, okay, like a machine, like a robot, it will convert this sequence into the protein sequence. It will convert into a protein sequence. Okay, so in this way the ribosome will work. Small granules either scattered in the cytoplasm or it is attached to the outside of the endoplasmic reticulum. So it is present in the endoplasmic reticulum or it may be freely also present in the cytoplasm. Okay, and it is a single walled dense spherical body composed mainly of RNA. So here this is important, it does not have membrane, no membrane. But in the book it is given as a single walled dense. There is no, it is not single wall, double wall, no. It doesn't have any membrane. Ribosomes don't have any membrane. Okay, and they are composed mainly of RNA. Mainly it has the RNA. So when you look at the composition of this one, inside there is this RNA is also there inside. Okay, so the ribosomes have RNA plus protein. They are made up of RNA plus protein. So what is the function of this one? Only one thing. Only one thing. They are making protein. Protein synthesis. No other organelle in the body, in the cell, makes protein. This is the function of the ribosome. Making the protein is the function of the ribosome. Okay. Next. Little bit I am speeding up. Okay. If you are feeling it is very fast, you can let me know. Okay. Lysosomes. Next cell organelle, lysosomes, number 8. Lyso means, this term is coming from lysis. Lysis means what? Have you heard about this lysis?
Yes.
What it means, lysis? Lysis means something like breakdown. Okay. Breaking down to small pieces. Lyse it, make it lyse. Lytic, lysis. Okay, so this lysosome is going to do this breaking kind of function. Okay, destruction, breakdown, all these kind of activities. So this lysosome, how they appear? They are membrane sacs. So just they will appear like this kind of membrane. Okay, membrane, just spherical structures, and inside this one there will be the so many enzymes. More than 40 different types of enzymes are there inside these lysosomes. What these enzymes are going to do? These enzymes have the digesting function. What function? Digestive function. Okay. So inside the cell, they do what you say intracellular digestion. Okay. Digestion, all of you know what is digestion. Okay.
Sir, have you shared your screen?
Again the same problem, no?
No, sir, your screen is being sharing.
No, sir.
Okay. So some students they are able to see.
But they have not pinned your screen. That's the
Sir,
reason.
yes, sir, they have not pinned your screen. That is the issue.
Oh, okay. You just pin and see. Okay, those who are getting the problem, no, you pin the screen and you see whether it is solving the problem. Okay. Okay. If you are still getting the problem, you let me know.
I also cannot see, sir.
Okay. Even after you pin, you are not able to see my screen
Yes, sir. Now I'm able.
coming up. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
intracellular digestion. Intracellular. Intra means what?
Inside.
Intra means inside. Okay. So intracellular means inside the cell. Okay. So this digestion inside the cell, inside the cell digestion is taking place. Do you think digestion can take place inside the cell?
No, sir.
No. So digestion means what?
So breaking down the glucose in the presence of food.
Breakdown of food or whatever, breaking down into simpler substances. So inside the cell, it is the rotis and rice and all those things are not going inside the cell. Okay, smaller molecules are going. Okay, so these molecules they need to be digested. Okay, for example, some carbohydrates are there, they need to be digested. Okay, for example, we are taking milk. In the milk there is a carbohydrate which is called lactose. It is a sugar. Lactose is a sugar. So that sugar is going inside the cell. Okay, is going inside the cell. This lactose need to be broken down to get glucose plus galactose. Two sugars are there inside this one. Then that glucose can be used for making energy. So that is the digestion that is taking place inside the cell. Okay. So like this, the cell need to break down many substances inside the cell. It also doing digestion. Okay. So this intracellular digestion, who is responsible for the intracellular digestion?
Lysosome.
Lysosome, intracellular digestion. Also it is destroying the foreign substances. Okay, because it is a same digestive function, and these lysosomes from where they are coming?
Lysis.
They are coming from the Golgi bodies. Okay, from where they are originating. These lysosomes, they are being originating from the Golgi bodies, Golgi apparatus. We have seen the Golgi apparatus number 6, no? So in that one there are the cisternae, which are tube-like structures, and there are vesicles. Okay, vesicles are small spheres. So one of those types is this lysosome. Okay, so these lysosomes are coming from the Golgi bodies. They will pinch off. Okay, they will pinch off from the Golgi bodies. They will come outside like round small balls. Okay, and inside this what is filled up? All these enzymes are filled up. These what is the function of the Golgi? Main function of Golgi is
Secretion.
secretion. It has to go outside. Therefore the lysosomes, they can secrete outside. They can also go outside. Okay, so they can go outside. They can destroy the bacteria. They can destroy the virus. Okay, they will secrete out of the cell. So if the cell want to kill something that is outside it, whom it will send? It will send these lysosomes. Okay, the lysosomes will secrete outside the cell and it will kill that bacteria or virus. Okay. Next point, when cell is old or injured, these rapidly destroy the organelles. Okay, its own organelles. Hence it is called suicide bags. Okay, so the cells in our body, they also become old, no? So when they become old, they have to die because they are not able to function properly. That is a problem. So they will die, new cells will come. So who is going to kill that cell, that old cell, the damaged cell? someone has to kill it, someone has to destroy it. That is being done by the lysosomes. Okay, the lysosomes are going to destroy the organelles that are there inside the cell. Okay, so that old or injured cells, they will be destroyed. That is why it is called suicide bag of the cell. But from my own side, I don't like to call it as the suicide bag. I like to call it as the recycle engine. Okay, because what it is doing, the old and injured cell, it is destroying, and it is using the same thing to make the new cells. Okay. When the old cells are broken down, whatever that raw material will come, that will be used for making the new cells. Therefore, it is a recycle. Next point, digest cartilage during formation of bones. So, in the case of the tip of the nose, for example, okay, these ears, these are very flexible.